My name is Jared Pumphrey. I'm the CEO of ClearCorrect, and we make clear aligners. Started with a handful of people, now we're up to about 130 employees. We've got about 11,000 doctors across the U.S. who use our product. Back in 2006, our process was entirely manual. It was a messy process, time-consuming process, and it was just a lot of work. We took our manual process and we put it into the computer basically with software. Now we move all the teeth on the models in the software. We then went to milling. That was our next phase. That was our first step into mechanized manufacturing, a digital process. We were growing so fast. There was so much demand for our product that we really couldn't keep up.
At one point, in 2009, later also, we were having 150 doctors a week joining us. Mm-hmm. And we're using the other mills, and it was not going fast enough.
We had the 8 mills. That was the first purchase. We needed to buy something else. We needed to buy more mills or make a change to 3D printing. Objet came up in that discussion.
This is the machine to go with, and everything else is, needs to go.
We started with the one printer, and we quickly transitioned from an R&D project to full-blown production, to where 100% of our production now is done on printers. So adding 3D printers to our production process means that we can easily scale up. We can easily scale with the demand, reach more doctors, deliver them faster without the problems we had with our previous processes. We're anticipating getting a whole new batch of printers here soon.
We knew that the quality was amazing, and every new doctor we wanted to sign and wow them with, that was the one we would put their account on that machine.
That's true, that's right.
On the Objet machines, yeah. And so we can close the deal, print those models from the Objet machines.
She said, I love these. Can I keep on getting these? And so I called in and I said, listen, hey, we need to make sure this doctor from now on only gets the Objet models. And she's like, oh, thank you so much. These are so much better. It only takes me just a few minutes and I do the thermoforming.
We attend a lot of the dental conventions. We're at a lot of the trade shows. And we have a lot of doctors coming up to the booth and asking about ClearCorrect. And when we show them our product and how we're different, and we show them that they get this Objet model with the clear aligners, they love it. I mean, they're sold. There you go. Wait, you send this? You actually send this to us so we can have it with them, and they love it.
Everything that we get, we want to get to the best out there. We don't want to try to be okay with second best. So with all technology that we're working with and this whole new production line that I want to focus on, that will get us there.
It has been such a collaborative experience, is what it feels like. Working with Objet has been pretty incredible. They really stand behind their machines. If the machines have gone down, I haven't heard about it. That's how fast we get support, that's how fast we get serviced, and it has just been a great experience. We really consider Objet a team member.